Today we're going to be answering the age-old question, can you bushcraft in a caravan? Well, that today is exactly what I'm intending to find out. I mean, personally, the first step to any bushcraft is materials. You need materials, a spot, and a plan. We've got the spot, we've got the materials, and I've got a plan. The question is, can I execute it? After all, this is a how not to bushcraft video. Why? Because I'm not very experienced at bushcraft, and bushcraft usually happens in the bush. But lately, we've been branching out to storm drains, and now we're in a caravan. But we're going to make it work. These here chairs are going to be our main resource to try and create something here. They are going to be our foundation, the thing that holds this whole thing together. I'm sure you've seen the fabled blanket fort, the tales of olden childhood. They all speak of this mythical tent where back in the day when you were a young'un and you were small and you could be so easily just stepped on, you could make a blanket fort. You know, you'd set your chairs down, you put a blanket over. Oh, it was glorious. Somebody keeps like honking out there. I don't know why they were honking, but they were. It's not very bushcrafty, honestly. Of course, our most logical first step would be to get the foundation into place. That's going to be right here. It's probably the most open spot in this caravan that is being renovated. It's the most clean and presentable looking spot as well, so that's good too. We're going to move that now. Oh! Oh. Ow. Okay. That's the spanner. Didn't know there was a spanner there. As you can now see, we have our foundation, but in order to lay a blanket over the top here, we're going to need to lay some stuff along the top. So I'm sure there's something in here we can make use of. Let's take a look around. A little look-see, shall we? Aha! Wood that I definitely didn't already have planned out. Let's use it. We've also got this one here. Oh, I just moved the couch. Oops. I think that's okay. It looks okay. It's fine. Oh, no. Not fine. Not fine. Fine. Good. It's great. You know, it's fine. It'll do. Back to business. Now, it is very important that we place the wood very carefully on top here, otherwise we might just be facing certain extinction. Why are we facing certain extinction, you may ask? I don't know. You tell me. Leave me in the comments. Why are we going to face certain extinction? Because I actually don't know. So I'd appreciate if you guys informed me on why that would cause that. Let's get on with it. Oh look, another piece of wood. How conveniently placed. I actually don't know where this wood came from. I did not put it here. I actually don't know why it's here. I really don't. Perfection. Well, me personally, I'd say the foundation came together pretty well. But a foundation isn't a structure. No, we need a roof. And since this is going to be a blanket fort, we're going to need a blanket. Why is that? There's a crow out there. Shut up, crow. Shut up, crow. I said shut up. Thank you, crow. What a pleasant fella. Anyways, let's get this blanket over on and get that roof underway and maybe have a successful bushcraft today. This is really comfy. I could just lay here and not finish the video, but no, we're determined. We're doing it. We're finishing it. Oh, crap. Of course, the great roof for our blanket fort. It's a bit. Just don't wanna wreck the blanket at all. So I made sure these logs are nice and clean. Oh, that's actually beautiful. That is incredible. This is actually a blanket fort to be proud of. There's an Xbox controller too. What a great addition. Wow. This might, ironically, be the best bushcraft I have done, and I don't even know if you could really call this a bushcraft. It's a caravan craft, I suppose, but wow. But it's still not complete. No, far from it. Who wants to sit on that cold, hard floor? Because I know I don't. I don't. I'm serious. I really don't. Okay, maybe I don't care that much, but for aesthetic reasons, we need a cushion. And luckily, there just happens to be one right there. Crow, stop making noise. Crow. Crow. He doesn't listen to me, does he? Time for the finishing touch. Whoa. Now we're gonna get in. Oh, this is a blanket fort to be proud of. This is beautiful. This is amazing. I like this. I love it very dearly. This is my home. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I guess. This is my blanket fort. I think we got a successful bushcraft today. It's cool. I like it. It feels sturdy. Not usually my bushcrafts are sturdy. You see the friggin' last one? Made a TP in a storm drain. Except there was a mini one. But this is pretty cool. Well, this is gonna be me out in my lovely blanket fort. Subscribe if you enjoyed. I don't want to hear that you're not subscribing. You better subscribe. It's healthy for you. It's beneficial for your health. You might get a carrot. I hear that improves your eyesight apparently, so you probably want that. Anyways, I'll catch you later.